A large focus of my research program over the last 10 years or so has been developing weed management solutions for glyphosate-resistant weeds on Ontario farms. So in terms of herbicide resistance in Ontario, it is not a new problem. The very first herbicide-resistant weed discovered on the globe was in Ontario in 1957. So the primary reason why herbicide-resistant weeds have evolved is the repeated use of herbicides with the same mode of action.
If you repeat that same herbicide year in, year out, you start to get a buildup of seeds in the seed bank. And that progression will not be linear. You go from 10% of the field being occupied or being covered by those weeds to 70% or 90%. And then that's when farmers realize, oh, I got a big problem. So if I look at Western Canada, I think the two main culprits right now, the two main weeds will be wild oat, which has been a big problem for a long time. So wild oats has developed resistance to group 1, to group 2, but also to herbicide less widely used. But more recently, kochia has been a bigger issue. In Eastern Canada, we've been having issues, especially if we look at the glyphosate resistance with fleabane, Canada fleabane, which has been spreading since 2010 and been selected in many fields quite a lot. And fleabane spreads very easily. More recently, we've been having issues with water hemp. It's been slowly creeping into Ontario.
I think the two greatest challenges for Ontario farmers are multiple herbicide-resistant Canada fleabane control in soybean, as well as multiple herbicide-resistant water hemp in soybean. The foundation for herbicide resistance management is diversity. I think it's really important that Ontario farmers use cultural, mechanical, biological, and chemical weed control strategies on their farm. And by doing that, they will reduce the selection intensity for herbicide-resistant weeds.